Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share a long overdue refrigerator clean out. My goodness, it has been, I don't even know how long. But before we get started, I wanted to remind you to please like, subscribe, comment, share, whatever, however you feel that you'd like to support my channel, if you would like to support my channel. We're gonna get right into it. Bishop was excited to hop in there and say hello to everybody. But this was, I want to say it's been probably, well, at least 6 weeks since I've gone through and like really looked at things. That ham was from June. So there you go. All my shame right here for you to just see it. We got so busy when my parents were here visiting. And then, you know, if you've watched my previous videos more recently, you know that we have been, we put our house on the market. We found a home out in the country that we're hoping we can, you know, get our house sold and make this new one work for us. But we just jumped right into that. And so it's been crazy around here. I just went on an impromptu trip with my husband to Cleveland. He had to go for work and I just met him there after he was there, and we just hung out, you know, for a couple of hours and then came back home. But anyway, just so much going on, and this is just one of those things where we haven't really even been cooking all that much at home, trying to keep the house nice and clean for showings. And so this really just got to the point where I was like, I cannot keep just shutting the door, just throwing in the leftovers from takeout and shutting the door. And like, y'all, the condiment situation in this refrigerator was next level. Are you that way? We love all the sauces and all the condiments, and like, it was just too much. It was way too much. There was stuff in there that had been expired for, you know, months. And it felt really good to get in here and just get this all handled finally. And good timing because we have an open house coming this Sunday. So it was really good to just say, I have to get this done. It was late at night and I was so tired after having just flown in that afternoon. But I was like waiting for my Walmart order to come, and it was about 10:30, and I just was like, if I don't do this right now, who knows? And there was just not going to be any room to put any of the new food in there anyway, so I went all in. And I hope that this is motivating for you. I hope that you enjoy this kind of thing. If you do, if you like these kinds of videos, let me know in the comments down below. I would love some feedback as I continue to put these videos out here just for the heck of it, just for fun. I am enjoying it, but I really do want to know if you're enjoying what I'm doing, and if not, be kind, but just give me some constructive criticism. I'm going to be quiet and I might pop in here and there, but this was so needed, and it just feels so good to have this done. I wanted to take a moment really quick and just explain this situation. Like, I cannot pull out the right side drawer or the bottom deli drawer that slides out. Our refrigerator is right up against the wall on the right to where the door won't even open beyond where you see it there. So it's so frustrating. We actually had ordered a refrigerator and had to change the whole thing, order a new one, and this was back in like 2021 when it was really hard to find appliances and get them here. It was just a nightmare, and it's been, it's just annoying. I cannot get to the places where there's things spilled in there unless we completely pull out the refrigerator, and I was not going to ask my husband to do that at 11 o'clock at night. So I did the best I could, and I was showing you there that I am using the Compassion Flower scent Mrs. Meyer's cleaning spray. It's like an all-purpose spray. It smells so good. It is a little strong, I'll admit. Like, if you're sensitive to fragrances, it might not be for you. But I just wanted to explain that whole drawer situation where it's taking me literally forever to get in those crevices, and then underneath the drawer I can only do so much. So it is what it is, but I'm so glad that it's done. my friends, that's going to do it for this video. I hope that you found some motivation to tackle a chore that maybe you've been putting off like I was. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.